being told that the cheese. The president, Mr. Speaker, when we are crucified, all of us, it is you who is supposed to be like your father. It is bad and very naughty good that when I reach home, my wife,
he come shake my pockets.
He come shake even my kafagwe. So see, the money that president say we steal. Speaker, you must be uncheckable. Only this. Because when we go move around in constituency, we hear people say, Yosio Kaguaru. You see, from where I come from, Speaker, Batagura, they say, well, you cannot say when it poop one or has pooped. Surely.
Even our children
are thinking they were raised by a Mikola.
Mathũkĩirio marĩtwa nginya kwao mĩciĩ.
You must look us, Torore. Wacheka bunge thaa ici nĩ maragagateithio ground kidogo nĩ mũgathe
nĩ athecire bini njũru.
Yes.